Hi everyone, it's Donna from Ontario, Canada. Let me make sure I brought my glasses. It is 3 days before Christmas, 2 days before Christmas Eve, and I just wanted to get on here really quick and share Rose's chocolate exchange because I want to start eating it. I just want to share this and just a few happy mail and talk about the 2020 challenge. So hopefully everybody has done their Christmas shopping and planned for their family. I'm just carving out this little time because we've had company and we're getting more company, and today is football day and I'm trying to hurry up and do it before the guys are watching football in the other room. They kind of congregate here because our TV is, well, it's pretty big. Let's put it that way. But anyways, and then when I watch some of the YouTube videos on it, the screen is, I think it's 86 inches or something. 87, 86, something like that. And sometimes I'll watch YouTube videos on it and I think, oh my God, hopefully nobody's looking at my face on an 86-inch TV. Anyways, it's just funny. So anyways, first I'm going to go through the chocolate box that that Rose sent, and hopefully she likes the box that's on its way to her. Okay, so Rose, here we go. So let's see, there's a card. I already opened this card. She just basically says, thanks for swapping chocolate with me. I included Fannie Mae and Frango mints, originally from a department store called Marshall Fields. Also included Tootsie Pops and Tootsie Rolls, which are also made in Chicago. All right, enjoy, and I'm wishing you a happy holiday. Okay, Rose, so let's see. And I see there's some yarn in here too. So I'm going to take the yarn out first. What did she put in here? Red Heart. Oh, one of my favorites. Unforgettable. I love Unforgettable. I'm almost finished making a scarf type thing with some. But I love this color. It's gorgeous. Can you see? Oh, that's so sweet. A package of 3. Perfect. Amazing. And some purple Studio Samples by Nicole. I don't think I've tried any of this by Nicole stuff, but it's a really pretty purple. That's pretty. Very nice. And a Premier Everyday Baby by Deborah Norville. That's really nice. I could make something for my little granddaughter with that. That's really nice. Very pretty. Thank you, Rose. Okay, and oh, this is what she must have been talking about. Frango Chicago. Frango, it doesn't say what it's in it. Wonder if I should open it. If my nails are sharp enough, I'll open it. Ooh, I got it open. Oh, let's see. I got such a mess here around me. I didn't even check if my background was okay before I put it on. I didn't adjust the lighting or nothing. Oh my gosh. Should I take a bite of one? I don't know what's in it. Oh my God. Sorry. Oh, it's mint. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Yummy. It almost tastes a little bit like a candy cane type mint. So good. Wow. And then Fannie Mae. It's a little, I should put this down here. Okay. I'm wearing a Canadian t-shirt. Can you see? Canadian. Okay, Fannie Mae Rich Chocolate Ganache Center. There. Oh my God. This looks good. This almost looks like a turtles. You know, I love turtles. Pixie, it's called. That looks good. Oh my God, they all look so yummy. Let's see. Woo. Milk chocolate. I love milk chocolate. Better than dark chocolate. I like dark chocolate, but I like milk chocolate better. This is milk chocolate bar crisp rice. Yum. Oh my goodness me. And then she said Tootsie Rolls. You know what? I know they're really famous. Tootsie Rolls. I think we give them out on Halloween too. But I don't think I've ever eaten one. I don't think so. So a Tootsie Pop. My husband will like this. He likes sweets too. And original, it looked like old-fashioned packaging, so maybe they're kind of original. Oh, this way. I bet you it's like chewy. I'm anxious to have one of those. Oh, so nice. And finally, a big box of Franco assorted chocolates. What does it say on the back? 3 different kinds of chocolates are part of the original Frango mint recipe. 200 pounds of chocolate are melted to make 1 batch of Frango candy. Wow. Wow. Thank you, Rose. Oh, God. I'm going to gain so much weight. Oh, my God. Yummy, yummy. Thank you so much for all that, Rose. I can't wait to see what you think of what I sent it to. Oh, my God. I got to eat the other piece of that one I took. I can still taste the flavor in my mouth. Just give me one quick second. Oh my God. These are so good. Oh my gosh. Yummy. Okay, so just quickly, I just wanted to say thank you to Lisa from Lisa's Crochet. She sent me a cute Christmas card. Adorable. I'm not going to read the insides. Just saying a quick thank you. And this was from, from Nona. Rosie at Nona's Stitching Lounge sent me a nice card and a nice letter inside. Actually, I read the inside already. Thank you so much. Thanks, Rosie. Can't wait to see you in April. Okay. And this one was from, I think it was Tracy. Yeah, Tracy. And my grandson got a hold of this card. He wanted to see what was in it. So, and she sent me a really nice French vanilla chai tea. So, I'm looking forward to trying that. Oh, I can even smell it a little bit. It smells good. I'm going to keep that out because I'm going to have it in the next little while. Thank you very much, Tracy. I appreciate the cards and all the Christmas wishes that everybody put. And, you know, Rosie from Nona's Stitching Lounge had mentioned in her card that it's almost like a little sisterhood. And you know what? She's right. It is. It's kind of like a little sisterhood. I know a lot of people, all these people on YouTube that are sharing their channels. Many times I've heard them say, you know, there's not really somebody right in their area that they can sit down and spend time crocheting with. And I think it's true for a lot of us. I mean, I belong to a little crochet group, but I mean, just to go out and, there is one lady I go out sometimes with, not enough, but there doesn't seem to be a lot of people to just hang out, crochet the afternoon with. So it'll be nice to meet up with everybody in April. And I can't remember all the details right now. But if you go to Nona's Stitching Lounge, she has all the details on there. And it's in April. I know it's in April in Niagara Falls. So I'm looking forward to that. So, and the only other thing I wanted to talk about was Krista at the Secret Yarnery had tagged me to do the 2020 challenge, which originally started out using ice yarn. I'm sure a lot of people have said this already in different tags, so I won't go on too long about it, but I'm definitely in, Krista. definitely in. Where's my camera to look at? Anyways, I'm definitely in. And I will post it on the 20th of January. The only thing is, the 20th of January, I'm going to be down south. So hopefully I can do a little video there somehow on the 20th and bring my item with me. So I'll do that. And hopefully anybody who's subscribed to this channel will head over to Krista at the Secret Yarnery. Click on her her video with the 2020 challenge, and all the details are there. They started off, well, her and Creative Grandma, is that who's doing it? Creative Grandma, I think they kind of went together and created this challenge. So it was supposed to start off to use ice yarns and make a scarf with one bag of ice yarn. So use the whole bag to make a scarf. And then I guess some people were kind of commenting, and they turned around that they made it open to all yarns, and then it doesn't have to be just a scarf. So I'm not sure, but I'm gonna do what the original idea was born from, which was to use ice yarns because the two of them love ice yarn. So I mean, that's how the idea was born. So I want to follow that. And I already I listened to Krista's video on the 2020 challenge when she did it live. I just happened to catch her. And anyways, that was on the 20th. So that's when it started. And right away after her video, I don't even know if it was over, if I paused it, but I went right over to Ice Yarns and I ordered an order of an ice yarn. So another order in December. Thanks, Krista. That I wasn't supposed to buy any more yarn. I think I've made about 4 orders in December of yarn. Anyways, so I ordered some yarn that one is the one that she recommended. I think it's called Harmony. And I ordered 3 other kinds. So I'll show you when that comes in. But yeah, so I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it with ice yarns, and I'm going to do a scarf like what was originally said. So I'm looking forward to that. And I'll be in Florida then, like I said, and I'll somehow get a spot and make a little video, and I will definitely show my finished item for the 2020 challenge, and hopefully everybody else hops on. It'll be kind of fun, and everybody can kind of watch everybody's video and see what they made. Anyways, I think it sounds like a fun challenge. So anyways, I just want to say Merry Christmas to everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a thumbs up for me and subscribe if you'd like. And I'll talk to everybody soon. Thanks. Bye.